All right. Here we go, friends. What we're going to do today is we're going to do our Star 360. Okay? Last week we did our iStation for reading. Today we're going to do our Star 360 for math. Okay? So this is what it's going to look like. This one's a lot easier to log in because it really is. If you get into your portal, you don't have to do anything else. Okay, so if you go straight into the portal, I'm gonna model it for you. You guys are doing awesome. So let me close that real quick. And then you come down here, you type in your username and password just like you always do. It'll take you to the portal. This is very familiar with you guys. You should be familiar by now with the portal. You've seen it every day. Okay, so there's our canvas that we normally go into. We're not gonna go into Canvas though. We're going to go down here to the R. Now this is where it throws students off because they're looking for Star 360 and it's not called Star 360. It's called Renaissance. So you have to find the R. It looks like this right here. Okay, so that's what you're going to click on. Okay, so you can click on the R. It says Renaissance. I know it's a weird name. That's the company name. And then to get started, there's no username, no password anymore. All you do is click the Star Math and click the Start button. Okay, so it's super duper easy peasy. The other thing, I want you to go ahead and get started on that here in just a moment. The only other thing I have for you for our meeting today is very, like I said, this meeting is really short and sweet because I want you to get logged in and get started. The only other thing I have for you is to strongly encourage you, if you have not been practicing your flashcards, little like addition and subtraction facts, please start doing that. Okay? Now, you'll notice that lesson is in the math today, starting today. You can create your own. So what you could do is get little index cards. On one side, write 3 plus 1. On the other side, write the answer, 4. On one side, write 5 plus 8. On the other side, write 13. And then just practice it every day. I also have a link in there digitally. So there's a website you can go to and to practice. Or another option is you go to the dollar store and they have them literally at Dollar Tree for $1. Okay, so if you don't want to make your own, you don't want to do the digital, you could purchase one for like $1 and you can get a whole bunch of flashcards. Okay, but you need to be practicing every day. Okay, Susan, what are you doing, sweetheart? Thank you. You're making me dizzy. I feel like I'm jumping up and down. Yes, Lena. Absolutely, that is fantastic. I want you to practice it every day. I know some of you told me, Mr. Clem, I'm already doing that. I'm like, yes, that's awesome. That's what I want, okay? I want you to practice every day. I want you to get so good at it because what's gonna happen this next 6 weeks is that we're in the second 6 weeks, we're gonna start adding and subtracting. We're gonna start out with 1-digit numbers, like 2 plus 3, 4 plus 6, 7 plus 8, easy peasy. But then, as we go on, the numbers are going to get bigger. They're going to be 2-digit numbers, like 36 plus 64. And then we're going to go into 3-digit numbers, like 127 plus 375. And then we're going to go into 4-digit numbers with 1,000 plus 100 or whatever. So we're going to go big numbers. So in order to do those big numbers, we have to get good at those 1-digit numbers. All right, that's with adding and subtracting. Okay, that's why it's super duper important to practice it, and this will help you also in 3rd grade. When you guys go to 3rd grade next year, you guys will be that much of an expert at that, and that will help you with multiplication and division next year. Okay, addition and subtraction builds on top of builds up to multiplication. Okay? So practice adding, subtracting, please. Please, 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 every day. Yes, Michelle.
When are we gonna learn about when are we gonna learn about no no
Times? Multiplication?
Times.
We will start multiplication in second grade at the end of this school year. We will start talking about it, but you will have a whole year about it in third grade.
When are we gonna learn times?
At the end of this year, you will start it. You will start to learn what multiplication is. Next year in third grade, they talk about it a lot.
A lot.
A lot. Just like this year we're focusing on adding and subtracting. Next year you will learn about multiplication and division. Mainly multiplication. In fourth grade, they start a lot into division. So it just everything builds on top of each other, like a big foundation and a big house. Okay? Yes, Elijah. I'm sorry, buddy. I could not hear you. I'm hearing a lot of echoes. I'm trying to hear you. Can you say that again, buddy? I want to hear you, but I just can't. You're talking about asking about multiplication? We'll do that at the end of the year when we have to get really used to adding and subtracting first. Okay? We won't do that until probably, that goes back to Michelle's question, it'll probably be March, April of this school year until we get to multiplication. And then next school year in third grade, they go into a lot of multiplication, which you have to be good at adding in order to do multiplication. You have to be very, very good at adding. Yes, Sophia. Excellent. Well, we're going to build on those skills from kindergarten and from first grade. And some of the first questions in the STAR math today is on adding and subtracting. So I'm going to see how good you are. Now, some of you are really good at adding. If I say 6 plus 3, but you have to sit there and go 7, 8, 9. Like you have, and you're right, it is correct. But when you get to those big numbers like that, big numbers, you got to know it fast. Because otherwise, you're going to give yourself a headache. That's why you got to know those, like, when I say 6 plus 3, 9. 3 plus 7, 10. Right? 12 plus 4, 16. Like, not even have to, like, you think about it for, like, 1 second. Not forever, because then you're going to go, ay. All right? So, let's review real quick, then I'm going to have you get started. I'm going to cancel here on purpose. All right, so what you're going to do, friends, all right, this is what your page looks like. So right now, what I'm going to have you do, everybody that's in the group right now, I'm going to have you go into Renaissance. So go to your portal, go down to the big R right there and click on it. when you click on Renaissance, it'll take you into Star Math, which is the first one. You don't want to do Star Spanish unless you speak Spanish. And I don't know of anybody in this classroom that speaks Spanish, so we're going to do this one right here, Star Math. That's the one you're going to click on. Once you click on that, you'll hit start and you'll be ready to go. Okay? I will be online for the next 20 minutes or 30 minutes or so. If you have any questions or have any problems, just let me know and I'll be able to help you. Okie dokie. All right, you guys can go ahead and get started. I'm saying on the Zoom, if you need help, let me know, okay?
Bye.
Bye. Cruz, you're so silly. Yes, Lena.
What color is the R?
Well, I think it was green.
Does it have a little bit of blue?
It looks like, yes, a little bit of blue. So it's a big R. Do you see it right there? I don't know if you can see my screen.
I think so.
It's called Renaissance. I know the biggest mistake is, like I did the first time I did this, I was looking for Star 360. And that's the name of the test, but it's under Renaissance.
I think I found it.
Yeah, it's a green and blue R. Okay?
I'm going to start.
Okay. If you're logging in, you tell me you need help. You need help, Penny? Did you find it, sweetheart? You good?
I think so, but I don't know what to do now.
So did you,
Oh, star.
yep, hit the Star Math.
Star map?
Yep, this one right here.
Got it.
And then it'll say, please wait, and it'll start. Hit the start button. And this one you do by yourself, just like you do iStation.
Got it.
Okay? Awesome. Michelle,
Please help, Bob. I need help. I'm in a lot of
sounds great. You're free to go.
do I, that's my brother's computer.
I understand.
Am I gonna do it right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Go ahead and log in and let me know if you need help.
Bye.
Bye.
Wait, one more thing.
Okay.
How much minutes will you be in the Zoom?
I'll be in here for another 30 minutes or so.
Okay, bye.
Bye. Yes, Brielle, do you need help? Are you there, sweetheart? Penny, I'll come right back to you, okay? Don't stress. Don't stress. It's okay. It's okay. I'm here for you. I'm gonna go turn off my video.